is awesome. This is one of the best experiences I've ever had in my life.
On MLK weekend.
Black Lives Matter.
Happy Saturday!
We are thankful for every Monday and every other day because we get to live this beautiful life. And it's kind of crazy to think about it.
Awesome. What's one thing you're grateful for?
That. So grateful.
I'm trying to think of what like TGIM stands for, and it's like thank God it's Monday, but it's also just kind of stands for like thank God for every single day that we get to live.
These people!
Everybody, yeah, all these people. The people, the experiences, all of it.
Oh, I'm thankful to be on a boat at sunset. I mean, come on, like this is unreal. This living here is freaking awesome. I'm thankful for all the amazing friends that I've made here that have brought me on this boat at sunset.
What am I grateful for? I'm grateful for this beautiful opportunity that I've been given to live out here and see these beautiful sights and make great friends like I have right here.
Thankful for this moment right now.
Like my PR is 625 to 3.
I'm thankful for really kind, warm, and supportive friends.
I'm so grateful for everyone surrounding me. This day was just perfect and exactly what I needed. It reminded me of how thankful I am for literally everyone I have around me, my community, my friends, and all the people that I love. That was such an easy answer.
Grateful for Jill.
And Jill, what are you grateful for?
You can't say me.
I am extremely grateful for life. I'm extremely grateful for all of the amazing friends that I've made out here in Hawaii and my family back home for always being super sweet and supportive of me.
I'm so grateful for all of the amazing people that I have in my life. Just everyone's so wonderful. I met the most wonderful people here.
I am grateful for the ocean and the land.
I am immensely grateful for the people that I have in my life that make me feel the most alive I've ever felt in my life.
I'm grateful for sunsets and scenic views. Have you seen this? Check it out. Check it out.
That's me swinging my feet. Yeah.
Whoa, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Here's Jordan T. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Free up, oh, 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 oh.
We love you! We love you!
Behaving like I want the very best for you. I want all the love
Whoa, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Here's Jordan T. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Free up, oh, 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 oh. Girl, I know you're playing hard to get, acting like I don't see you. I watch you chum the water, waiting for a bite, but I only bite if you reel it. We both know, I know you feel it. Afraid to show, girl, just admit it. Our cars will fall with mine too. A royal blush, and we'll cash it in. Ooh, you give me some feeling, yeah. Ooh, you give me some feeling, ooh yeah, yeah. Put these games on the side and watch the sunset tonight. Talk about the things that you like, girl. Talk about the things that we like.